Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2011, the Disney Channel original movie Lemonade Mouth premiered on television. Based on a book by Mark Peter Hughes, Lemonade Mouth follows 5 high schoolers who meet in detention and then form a band to give a voice to those on the sidelines and conquer their own challenges. Lemonade Mouth is seen as one of the best DCOMs, gaining 7.1 million views during its premiere. The film is praised for its themes of honesty, resilience, and self-expression, plus a focus on the arts and family. And it came out 15 years ago. Did you see it? Did you love it? I thought it was pretty great. Anyway, have a magical day.